The first thing you need to check is to see if there's excessive side play in your pliers. The less side play there is, the better. To tighten the pliers up, you need to tap the pivot pin while it's sitting over the top of an anvil. You don't want them to be too tight, but then you don't want them to be really floppy either. The next thing you need to do is test them out on a piece of paper. As you can see, these are only cutting on one side. They should be cutting whole pieces out. You then need to sit the inside piece over the top of an anvil and tap the sides where it wasn't cutting on the piece of paper. These pliers are fairly basic, so I can just use a normal hammer. But if you've got a fairly intricate set of ear pliers, you can use a hammer and punch to get into those hard to reach places. Then with a small fine file, you need to file it back so you can shut the pliers without them grabbing. Now you have to work on the outer piece. You have to hammer it pretty much the same as the inner piece and then file it back so the pliers don't grab. Once you get them back to where they're opening and closing easily, you'll have to test them on the paper again. It'll probably take a few goes to get it right. It will take a bit of time to get it right, but once you've got it right, you should be able to cut paper out just like that.